Every smartphone manufacturer is racing towards creating the first bezel-less phone, and the last major hurdle for that is to figure out the placement of the front camera. While some resorted to a notch for that solution, Vivo thought of something fancier. Coming live from the show floor, here are our initial impressions of the Vivo NEX. Let's get started. With the current state of technology, this is the highest screen to body ratio possible on a smartphone. This is a 6.59-inch display with a resolution of 2316 by 1080. However, it has the same overall footprint as that of a phone with a 5.7-inch display and a standard aspect ratio. This display with no obtrusions is a joy to look at, and the AMOLED panel makes it even better. Powering the entire package is the top of the line Snapdragon 845 with 8GB of RAM and a big 4000 mAh battery. Definitely on par with current flagships. And you know where this phone beats the current flagships? It's the design. It's a beautiful glass sandwich with no unnecessary cutouts for the front camera or the fingerprint scanner. Both of them are hidden. Also hidden is the proximity sensor on the top edge, and for the earpiece, sound is produced by vibrating the entire display. This is one of the few phones which has a fingerprint scanner under the glass. It works just as well as a conventional scanner. And for the front camera, Vivo has equipped this phone with an elevating camera, which brings the front camera up when needed. I can't comment on the vigor of this mechanism yet, but it is definitely a cool party trick. And it's not just fancy, but also functional. This 8-megapixel front camera works very well. The primary camera is also very capable. It's a dual 12-megapixel plus 5-megapixel module with 4-axis optical image stabilization. Have a look at these sample images. While the phone is definitely cool, it faces tough competition from the OnePlus 6 and now also from the Asus Zenfone 5Z. All of them are in the same price segment. However, if you want a phone that truly stands out from the crowd, the Vivo NEX surely deserves your attention. Are you impressed with this device as well? What else do you want us to test? Drop us your thoughts in the comments below. While you are there, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.